And good morning, Facebook. Another bright and sunny day here in sunny Cheshire, the SimplyDiag.net Community Hub. Well, Sunday, what's going on? I'm in my potting shed. Oh, brilliant. Been here for a few hours now and been doing my admin and basically a bit more admin today, answering emails and stuff like that. Had a bit of a tidy up in the hub. The community Zoom, so the SimplyDiag.net community Zoom is now live. We've got the 3 cameras running, so if you're about and you're a subscribing member, feel free to pop in, say hi. I'm not working today, I'm just pottering around, so yeah, you can jump in and have a look. So we've had a little bit of a swap round at the hub. Let's show you. So there we go. Now we've got all the Garage Vitals banner up, the Hella Gutman banner up, the ADAS board there, big screen there, just providing a bit of a windbreak and a bit of a, bit of a break from the Carcraft stuff. Morning Tony, morning Ricochet. Got the big screen there, ready to rock and roll. We've got SimplyDiag.net obviously up and running. Really good discussion on voltage drop, started by Webby. Cool. You can see there we've got the live zoom running, 3 different camera angles. Little change to the VIP area. I've had a little bit of a swap round. We've finally fixed the top-down banner properly now. That's pinned in all corners. A little bit of a change around. You see them heavying with hoovering, cleaning products, mop bucket. Floor's not looking too bad. And we've got Dags' A3 on there. I'm going to finalise that diag this morning, shoot a couple of videos. Obviously, tea, coffee, number 9's plenty of coffee there in the hub. Morning, Stephen. How are you, mate? Morning, Stuart. What else is going on? Not a lot, really. We've got the new torque wrenches from Pickler Tools. Going to give them a bit of a workout next week. We've got some repairs to do on the Pickler Volvo, so them torque wrenches will come in handy. No, I'm not really working, mate. So I'm going to update all the tools. Obviously Phoenix Smart, Phoenix Remote, Phoenix Lite, or the Elite is that? Yeah, Phoenix Elite. This new little tool here, the new top-down Ultra Diag, £550 does IMO and everything. It's sort of an hotel top-down hybrid sort of thing. A really nice little handset. Yeah, cameras set up there. Pico banner, love that banner. Brilliant, makes me smile. Smart BNCs. Yeah. Boris the cactus, freshly watered. He's been watered yesterday, so Boris is very happy. Yeah, I'm not working, mate. This is fun for me. This is. So I've moved the diag trolley back over onto this side now. Still hiding the leaky roof bucket down there. Number 9 on the go. And now we can see this Pico banner in all its glory. Look at that. Looks fantastic. We've got to move them. Hand wipes. Find a home for them yet. But yeah, this is the view from the hub cam, from the front camera on the hub. All me tools that I use on a daily basis there, all set up. Obviously GYSs are in and up and running. We've got the 100 amp one here with the long leads, just on showroom mode on the Audi for the moment. I'll put it on full support diag voltage when I get going. Mitty back, boost gauge, bit of wire, battery tester, voltmeter with my Warwick test supply, 3 meter leads. I love them leads from Warwick test supplies. They're brilliant for my meter. They are. Relay test kit, test light, volt dropping leads, the original Load Pro version 1. How many have you got one of them in your box? Flare multimeter, don't ask me where I got that. The Pickler Tools rethreading kit, Autologic, me Otis interface, my VAG interface, AdBlue pressure testing kit, laptop, me promming and soldering station, the new T Ninja box interface from Top Dom. go and try and get that connected today and have a play with that using the Phoenix Max. Yeah, that's about it really. So nice little look around. Morning Leon, how are you, mate? Morning Ben. Yeah, just playing. That's all we're doing really. We're just playing. And then obviously we've got the Tornado, the battery support unit. Lives by the door. If I've got anything in the door, can put it straight on battery support there. Cracking little battery support unit that. And yeah, Sunday play day, pottering day. So you can tell I'm not logoed up, but shorts and flip flops. Life is good. whatever you're doing today, have an awesome day. If it's your birthday today, happy birthday on a Sunday. Go get yourself a roast dinner. If it's your birthday yesterday and I missed it, happy birthday for yesterday. If it's your birthday tomorrow on a Monday, don't worry. Don't get them Monday blues. Have an awesome day. Thanks for watching. All right. Have a great day, whatever you're doing. You're awesome.